Hey guys and girls, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikhil Moore and I talk about personal finance, stocks and stock market in general. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to open a BlockFi interest account and how to earn some sweet interest on the money that is currently sitting in your bank, earning literally no interest, which is around 0.01%. If you're not already aware of crypto interest account is generally a crypto platform's offering that let you earn a sweet interest on the digital assets that you have bought. It can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any stable coin. You basically agree to lend out Bitcoin or altcoins in exchange for interest. And that has always been a common practice with all the banks, where they use your cash in the bank as an asset to lend money, and then the borrowers return that asset with high interest. And your bank takes a portion of the interest and passes the rest to you. If you're currently holding any cryptocurrency, you can basically transfer it to crypto interest accounts. In this case, I'm going to show you BlockFi and earn some sweet interest of 5 to 9% APR on your cryptocurrency. And by the way, BlockFi will pay you interest in the same cryptocurrency that you're holding. It's really a win-win. That being said, let's move to my computer while I walk you through step by step on how to open a BlockFi interest account. Okay, let's do it. I already have a BlockFi interest account. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to open an account for my wife. Please feel free to use the link in the description below, and you can earn $10 in Bitcoin once you fund the account with $100. Once you click on the referral link, you will come to this page where you can sign up for the BlockFi interest account. So you can just go ahead and click on join BlockFi. And it will ask you for your first and last name, your email address, and some complex password. So let's set up an account right now. Accepting all the terms and conditions and the SMS policy, where you'll get an SMS notification once your account is live. Once you're done, click on submit. It is asking me to recognize a bot, so let's do that. Alright, once you're done with the sign up, it will ask you to verify your email. So you should get a link on your email itself. Once you click on the link that you receive on your email, it will say the email has been verified. So you can go and log back in and complete your application. Alright, it is going to ask you what type of account this is. So I'm opening it for my wife, which is an individual account. So I'll click on individual. Now let's complete the application by entering your address. Country is United States. What's your address? So let's enter that as well. So now it is asking you for your phone number, and they will send you a code on this phone number to verify. Date of birth. What are the source of these funds? So she's employed, so I'll click on employment. If you're in United States, it is going to ask you for an SSN, which is social security number. So let's type that in. The next question is roughly how much crypto will you add to your account each month? So I'm not 100% sure how much she will. So let's just click on the first option, which is $0 to $50,000. Roughly how many transactions will you make each month? I'm not sure if she will be trading too much. So I'm just going to click on not too many. Will you be making international wire transfer? The answer is no for that right now. So now it is asking you to verify your identity. First, it is going to verify your phone number by sending a code on your number. So click on continue. All right, we have the code. Let's click on continue again. All right, looks like our application is done. So let's click on done. And now we are ready to fund this account. So there are several different ways you can fund your BlockFi account. For example, in this case, you can fund it by bank transfer, which is an ACH transfer. So the next option is crypto transfer. So you can transfer crypto which are already holding in some kind of wallet and send it to the BlockFi account. And the third option is wire transfer. which I'm sure everyone knows. So there you go. It took less than 10 minutes for us to open a BlockFi interest account. So as you can see, you can earn 4.5% interest on your Bitcoin. You can earn 5% interest on your Ethereum. And if you're holding any of the stable coins, you can earn as much as 8.75%. So when I signed up almost 6 months ago, the interest rate for USDC stablecoin was 9%. They have cut the interest by 0.25%. So they do send you out an email whenever there are changes in the interest rate. So please look out for that. But still, the interest rates are really high compared to other traditional banks. There you go. It just takes almost 15 to 20 minutes to open a BlockFi interest account. That being said, there are definitely risks involved in crypto interest accounts. The crypto interest accounts are not FDIC insured, and there is a risk that these firms can go bankrupt. And there is no government guarantee that you can get your crypto back. Another thing to remember is that there is always a default risk, as there is no proper vetting process involved. Basically, anyone can apply for a loan on these platforms. So there are always risks involved if the borrowers default on these loans. Sorry, I had to get that out of our way, as I'm just a stupid guy on the internet making videos. So please do your own due diligence before investing in anything. And if I did provide you any value today, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about personal finance in general, you can click on this playlist here, and see you in the next one.